In this product review, we're going to look at the Geyser TSE Wi-Fi Retrofit. In a previous video, I showed you what the TSE controller is and how to install it. In this video, I'm going to show you a Wi-Fi retrofit that will take your TSE controller to the next level. Let's first do a recap on the benefits of the TSE controller. This product is specifically made for geysers. It is not a generic timer. The timer can handle elements up to 20 amps, which means up to a 4800 watt element. It has the ability to set the geyser to switch on and off up to 4 times a day. The geyser temperature can be accurately regulated. Water temperature can be viewed at a glance. The timer can be overridden with a push of a single button. Now there is an enhancement to this already great product, which is the Wi-Fi Retrofit. Now the Wi-Fi Retrofit is simply a PC board that you will install onto the display of the TSE controller. By having this Wi-Fi Retrofit, you'll receive 2 extra benefits to the TSE controller. First, the temperature can now be viewed not only from the display, but also from a smartphone. And the geyser can be switched on and off from your smartphone, not only from the display. So let me show you how simple it is to install the TSE Wi-Fi Retrofit. First step, make sure that the power to the Geyser TSE controller is switched off. Next, remove the 2 screws situated at the bottom of the display. Once the screws are removed, carefully unclip the display. Now you'll notice that there's a wire connected to the current PC board. Simply unclip that wire. On a clean surface, remove the 4 screws that attaches the display to the cover. Now simply line up the new PC board to the holes onto the cover and attach the screws again. Now simply attach the wire to the new PC board. Clip the cover back in and reinsert the screws. Once everything is connected and all the screws are reattached, switch on the main power to the TSE controller. Now on your smartphone, go to the Google Play Store. Now look for an app spelled TUYA. Make sure it's the app with the orange logo. Once you've got the app, install it. Now open up the app on your smartphone. Simply agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. Now sign up to the app. Now signing up to the app is for free. All that will require is an email address. Now simply go through the settings of the app, such as the location, or whether you want to use Amazon Alexa or Google. Now on the display, press and hold the yellow button until you see the little Wi-Fi logo starting to flash. Now on the app, simply go to Add Device, and the app will start looking for devices that are compatible to this app. The app will automatically pick up the Geyser TSE Retrofit. Next, it will ask you for the login details of your Wi-Fi router. Find your router, put in the password of the router in order for the TSE controller to connect to the Wi-Fi router. Now the app will start setting up and installing the TSE controller onto the app. And now you're done. The app has added the TSE controller. Now when you click on the controller on the app, you will see that it will show you where you can switch the element on and off, and it will tell you what the geyser temperature is. Now if you had to switch on the controller at the display, it will automatically pick up on the app that the geyser is switched on. Now this is quite a nice feature, because if you're wondering whether somebody's left the geyser on by mistake, you can simply look on your app and then switch it off if you choose to. Now unfortunately you can't set the timer from the app, but once the timer has been set, it will show you what the block temperatures are for block 1, block 2, block 3. If you're not sure what the block means, please go back to the Geyser TSE user manual. So now you've got a Geyser controller that is specifically made for geysers. It can handle an element up to 20 amps. It can set the geyser to switch on and off up to 4 times a day. The geyser temperature can be accurately regulated. Water temperature can be viewed at a glance. The timer can be overridden with a push of a single button. The temperature can be viewed from a smartphone, and the geyser can be switched on and off from your smartphone. The TSC Wi-Fi Retrofit simply takes a great product and turns it into an awesome product. This video was brought to you by Bidvest Renewable Solutions. For more information about the products that's been discussed here, please visit one of our distribution partners and speak to one of their skilled consultants.